Hi guys, this is Jowar Dosa. So in this video we are going to make Jowar Dosa using this 24 mantra Jowar Atta. Jowar Atta is naturally gluten free, high in protein and full of iron, and it also helps in weight loss. So you must try this recipe out. This 500 gram pack will cost you rupees 70. Coming to the recipe of Jowar Dosa, it's an instant dosa mix. Firstly, in a large bowl, take 1.5 cup of Jowar Atta. Make sure that the flour is fresh, else dosa will not turn out crispy. And to this, add 4 cup of water. Add water little by little and whisk well. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. The batter has to be watery consistency like this. Next is add salt, then red chili powder, cumin powder, fresh coriander leaves, a green chili and a nicely chopped onion. Mix well and you can see the consistency here is watery. You can adjust the consistency by adding water if required. When the tawa is hot, pour the batter on the tawa all over and wherever it is left, pour it there also. Spread 1 spoon ghee. Now allow it to roast for 3 minutes. On the top you can see now the dosa is brown and turning crisp. So now is the time to take out the dosa slowly from the corners first and then the center. Finally, enjoy this Jowar dosa with chutney, sambar. You're going to love this, and this is a very healthy recipe. Give it a try and subscribe for more videos.